Surprise, surprise! Another athlete has run afoul of Frano's law at the MVP track club. The latest victim of Frano's way, or the highway system, is national 100-meter champion and the Mavericks namesake, Taekwondo Tracy, who had the audacity to ask questions about the details of the contract being offered to him by MVP. I will tell him to do that. The take it or leave it clause kick in. And Taekwondo Tracy decided to leave. And look, to expect Stephen Francis to change his ways is like asking a dog to stop bark, or a goat to stop may, or a cow to stop move. Frano not gonna change. But at the same time, when people say Taekwondo Tracy rushed his decision and him should have stayed another season or two to try and improve some more and wear and tear, the man is the national 100 meters champion of Jamaica and the North, Central and Caribbean champion over 100 meters. This might well be Taekwondo Tracy's finest hour. I cannot pay my dues and become national and regional champion, especially in the 100-meter event, and you still treat me like me up and coming. A national champion deserves more respect. So yes, this is a Tracy agreeing with another Tracy in leaving the MVP camp. No quarrel, no malice. Nice working with you. Thanks, but I have to leave. God go with you.